Hello everyone, welcome back to our Windows 11 training for beginners series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to customize and personalize Windows 11 so your computer can look, feel and work the way you want. Among other things, you will learn how to change your wallpaper. This is the wallpaper that you can see by default on this my screen right now on the desktop. Now, let's begin. What is personalization in Windows 11? Personalization simply means changing the appearance and layout of your computer to suit your style or comfort. Changing the appearance, the way you personalize your house, your room. You can decide to change the position of your bed from where it is naturally is or where it has been to another position in your room. That is a kind of rearranging your house. The same thing with Windows 11. It is all about changing the appearance and the layout of your computer to suit your style or comfort. Now, Windows allow every user to change the colors, to change the background, to change even the icon, the themes, and many other settings. You can change it from the default to another one that you think is going to work or enhance your productivity. So Microsoft allow you to do that on Windows 11. So personalization can make your computer easier and more enjoyable to use. It can be different from the way your friend computer is looking because you have tweaked your own to suit your style and the way you want it to look. Now, how do we open the personalization setting? There are two ways of doing that, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you right now. The first way is simple. On the empty area of your desktop, look at it. This is my mouse. This is the empty area of my desktop. I mean where there is no icon, no folder, no file, any empty area. It could be here, it could be here. Just right click the empty area on your desktop. When you do that, you see personalize. Then you go ahead and click on personalize. It will open it for you. The second method is actually like what we did in the last lesson. Click on your start menu and type settings. All right, when you click on the settings, then you're going to see the option to personalization. Look at it here as well. So those are the two ways you can actually achieve it. Which of these two ways do you think is easier to access personalization? I mean to you. I'd like you to drop that in the comment section. Is it by right clicking on the desktop or by clicking on the start menu, come to setting and access it? Which one do you think is the best way out? I would like to know. Drop that in the comment section. Now let's start the practical aspect by changing the desktop wallpaper. That's the first thing we are going to do. Your wallpaper is the background image you see on your desktop. This is the background image that you can see on this desktop. So you can change it to any other one. How do you go about that? When you are under the personalization, you scroll, look at the scrolling bar by the side here. Then all of the item you see here, they are different way you can personalize your computer. The first one we have to address there is background. Right? Look at the background. You click on the background and you choose the picture. These are the recent images that I have used. What about if you have your own picture or slideshow that you want to use? Because all of the one you can see here, recent images, they are built-in wallpaper by Microsoft. Built-in by Microsoft for you to use. However, you can browse for your image to be used on the computer. Okay, if you want to also do a slideshow, that is also possible. Let's first and foremost change this to another one that is built in. For example, if I click on this, you see what happened? I minimize this, you can see that my desktop wallpaper has changed. So, but if you want to use your picture instead of the default wallpaper that came with your Microsoft Windows 11, what you can do is to come over here. You see the option to browse photo. You click on this, and you go to. I have some picture in the downloads that we can use. Come over here. This is a rainbow. Select the picture. You see now it's going to fill up your desktop. Now you see that my desktop wallpaper has been changed to the new picture I brought in. So if it is your family picture, your company logo, or whatever you have, this is how to go about it. Now, in addition to that, look at this option here. Choose a fit for your desktop. So this is talking about how the picture or the image you are using on the desktop as a wallpaper will behave. Do you want it to fit the entire screen the way we have it right now? Or we have more options. You want it stretched? You want it as a tie? You want it at the center? For example, this is center. Look at how it looks like. When we change it to center, let's go ahead again and change it to span. Okay, when we do span, you see what happened? It span across the entire desktop. More options that you have here, you have title. Then when we do title, we choose title. Look at what happened. So I would like you to play around with any picture. Okay, so the choice is yours. Okay, whichever option you would like to use, that is left for you. I'd like you to play around this. Get a picture or get a logo, and then you can attach from here. Remember, choose for a photo, browse to the photo where it is on your computer. If it's on your desktop, you click on browse. Then from the left side there, you click on desktop, and then you pick the picture from here. There's nothing in my picture folder, but I have something in download that can be used. So then you can pick it from here, and then you click on choose picture. It will automatically be applied to your Windows 11. So that is the first thing I would like you to know about personalization. And if you want to change it to a slideshow, you know what slideshow is all about. Changing by itself. Okay, that is also possible. Okay, all you need to do is, instead of selecting picture here for personalize your background, you will go ahead and choose a slideshow. And sometimes you might prefer to use a solid color. If you pick any color here, there will be no image on the background. You can see that black is selected. And because of that, you look at how my desktop look like. Some people might like it like this. They don't want any picture in the background. So they just want a black background. That has not changed the operation of your computer. It has no effect on the performance of your computer. It's just all about you and your preference. Okay? So let's go back. You have a lot of options there. And then you can use a slideshow where the picture is changing. That could be distracting to some people. Now, the choice is yours. If you go ahead with slideshow, it means you are going to browse to the picture and select more than one picture so that they can be changing from one to another. So that is what you can do with the slideshow. So the slideshow is available for you. The solid background is available, and just a black is also available. I hope that is clear. So go ahead and practice and drop that in the comment section as I jump in to the next one right now. Now, let's go to the next one. We're going to look at how to change the themes. Let's get back to personalization. Now, when you are under personalization, you look down and then you are going to see themes. You can see this. Now, a theme changes the overall appearance of Windows, including wallpaper, colors, sound, and sometimes even the icon on your desktop. Everything will change based on the theme that you are using. How do you go about that? Let's click on theme. There are different options that we have over here. We have all of this as available theme. It's going to affect the background, the color, the mouse cursor, the sound. All of these will be affected. The current theme that we have right now is what you can see. We have different one. You can see the way this is looking. This is window light image. Why this is window dark image. This is window spotlight dynamic image. And what about this? Glow. So if you change this, you can see a lot of things is going to change about your computer if you go with this theme. So a theme changes the overall appearance of Windows, including your wallpaper. Everything is going to change because I select this theme. Let's go back to this and then you can see what happened right now. So you go over there again. Let's go with this black and then you see even your taskbar, everything. You can see the way my computer is changing when I am actually selecting the different theme. You can see the look. So you go over here, you see that we have a lot, and then let's try this and see how it will show. Look at this as well. You come over here, you select this, you see what happened as well. So your theme will change the overall look of your computer. Look at this. So this is another theme based on my selection. So I'll go back to normal. I think we were using Windows Light one image. That is the theme I was using. So I go back to that and then you can see my computer. So the choice is yours. Okay, we have the light themes, we have the dark theme, and then we have the colorful theme. Those are the three categories of theme that you have among all of these. The light, the dark. As you can see, this is dark. You see this one, this is light, and then all of the other ones are colorful, just that they are different type of color that is going to give to you. Congratulations, you now know how to change your desktop wallpaper and customize the theme to match your style and improve your user experience. In the next lesson, we will learn how to customize the taskbar, how to switch between the dark and light mode, which one to use and when to use them. I will explain all of that to you, and we will discuss about the accent color in the personalization setting of your Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you have not liked, subscribe to this video, go ahead and do that right now and turn on your notification bell so you can be informed when I upload the next lesson. See you in the next one. Bye for now.